Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my dark chocolate brownie cake. This recipe is definitely for someone who loves chocolate or loves dark chocolate. Now before we get right into it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell just so that you don't miss out on any more of these vegan cuisine videos. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in and let's get right into it. So in this bowl, I have my flour and sugar and I am adding in my dark chocolate. So I'm adding in a half cup of dark cocoa powder to my flour and sugar mixture. Now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half of a teaspoon of salt. I'm stirring in the ingredients just to make sure that everything is well combined. With this recipe, you're going to combine all your wet ingredients and all your dry ingredients, and then after you combine them both together to form that batter. Now this batter is definitely has a different consistency because the brownie is going to be more of a cake-like but brownie texture. I'm going to prepare a flax egg. And a flax egg is basically 1 tablespoon of flax meal with 3 tablespoons of hot So now I'm going to combine all my wet ingredients. In this bowl I have 1 cup of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to this milk. Now it looks like I'm only adding in 1 spoon, but this is a tablespoon I have, so I kind of guesstimated 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to go on and add in 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, a 1/3 cup of canola oil. If you don't have canola oil, vegetable oil works just as fine. Definitely you don't want to use coconut oil because coconut oil has a higher percentage of saturated fat. I'm sure how that's going to affect the end product of the cake. So to my dry mixture, I added in some dark chocolate chunks, which totaled up to about a half cup of dark chocolate chunks. I'm going to combine my vegan egg or my veg with my liquid mixture and I'm going to stir that up for a tad bit. I'm going to go back to my dry ingredients and I am going to combine my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. Mix everything together just enough so that I have a smooth, pliable batter, but at the same time you really don't want to overmix this mixture simply because you have baking soda and vinegar to act as your raising agents, so you really don't want to overmix. So I am going to add the mixture to a lightly greased or lightly sprayed baking pan, and I'm using my 9 by 9 inch square cake pan. And feel free to top that up with some vegan ice cream. This dark chocolate brownie cake tastes so good. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.